Welcome. Today we'll show you how to allow everyone to send media in a Telegram app group on your PC. Follow these steps to adjust the group settings. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC and log in to your account. Next, navigate to the group you want to modify by selecting it from your list of chats. Within the group chat, locate and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to access more options. Click on Manage Group from the drop-down menu that appears. Then select Permissions to adjust the group settings. In the Permissions settings, find the option to Enable Send Media and toggle the switch to allow all group members to send media files. By enabling the Send Media permission, you are giving everyone in the group the ability to share photos, videos, and other media files, enhancing communication and interaction within the group. Remember to save your changes by clicking on the appropriate button to apply the updated group permissions. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled everyone to send media in the Telegram app group on your PC. Enhance the group experience by encouraging members to share multimedia content and engage more actively. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been informative in guiding you on how to adjust group permissions to allow media sharing in the Telegram app group on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your group communication.